food is on the table. Okay? Serve him with water when he's about taking the food. And you girls should take care of the house. Do that thing very well. What are you doing like that? Let me go to the market, eh? I'll soon be back. Serve him with water. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Thank you. Take care of the house. I'll see you later.
We met him drunk at your roomma's bar. Yes, they say that he took 2 bottles of palm wine and 1 bottle of stout only.
He's not used to drinking. What really happened, honey? Okay, push your help me.
What are you doing with my t-shirt?
You were drunk.
What are both of you doing here?
We are waiting for you to wake up.
Wake up? What time is it?
It's late in the night. Mommy?
Yes?
Mommy, Daddy has woken up.
Really? I'm coming. You're awake?
Yes.
Thank God. Thank God.
My lovely angels, I'm sorry to have kept both of you awake till this time of the night. I really am sorry, okay? But please, I want both of you to go to bed now. Tomorrow is school day, okay? I also want you to remember that Daddy loves you very much. Very much. Okay? Helen, please take them to bed.
Okay. I'll get your biscuit, please.
I'm so hungry. I hope there's food in the house.
As if I knew. I kept your lunch and dinner. But let me warn them. They might be so cold now, okay? So you eat them hot.
That's all right.
But honey, you need to take your bath first before you eat.
It's all right.
So let me put water for you in the bathroom.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go. Honey, you don't need to subject yourself to drinking. As I told you before, the Lord is fighting this battle for us. We don't have any reason to be ungrateful to the Lord. We should thank Him for His grace, for His mercies. And honestly speaking, if you go out there, you'll find out that we are far better than most people out there. So that's why we have to thank God for His mercy in our life. Okay? Not to drinking.
I am sorry. I am sorry for the disgrace I put you and our children through. And I promise that it will never happen again. I promise. But I also thank God that I was man enough to let out my frustration into drinking rather than committing suicide.
God forbid. Don't say such a thing. Sue what?
Helen, you don't understand. My head is always filled with memories of the past. I could start thinking about how rosy life was with us then. And suddenly my mind would fast track to the pain and suffering that you and the children are going through. To keep the family going, you have to sell fruits and vegetables.
All is okay. Stop thinking like that. As long as there's life, there's hope. The Lord is fighting this battle, so let's allow him to finish it. We should be grateful for his blessings, for these children, for health, for his love, for his grace. We have every reason to be thankful to him. So please stop thinking, okay? Everything will be all right.
Thanks a million. Thank you for understanding. You're the best. And I love you.
I love you too. And you are the best husband I've ever had. It's okay. Now it's time to eat. No more talking.
No, I will eat. But I promise it will never happen again. I promise.
Who is that?
I'm here. This one that you're here. I don't have any goods, so I've sold all my goods today in case it's vegetable that you want. And what are them, cha?
I came to see your husband, Ikenta.
My husband?
Yes.
I hope all is well.
Luma, you're here. Darling, I bought the drinks from her. Uluma, how much is your money?
It's 400 naira. You drank 2 bottles of palm wine and a bottle of stout.
Okay. Darling, please pay her.
Okay. Uluma, I'm here.
Let dance.
Just 2 pieces now.
Hey, thank you very much, Eileen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're God sent.
Stop drinking so
It was only once now. For all I know, no one is celebrating any birthday today in this house. I wonder why the sudden celebration. Stop smiling. Talk to me. Look, today you came back from the market early, unlike before, with 4 bottles of malt. We have not celebrated like this in this house for a long time. So tell me, did you win a lottery?
No.
Helen, stop smiling and talk to me now. Say something.
Okay. Let me tell you. You know I told you that God is fighting for us.
Yes.
And I also told you that last week a woman running a restaurant down the city came and bought all my vegetables.
Yes.
Today she came with her friend. Guess what?
Helen, talk to me now. I can't. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Okay. Let me tell you. They came and bought everything I had, both the vegetable and the fruits, and even gave me some money to help them get more.
Hey! God is great!
All the time.
I was wondering where you got the money. Now I can drink.
You were scared before.
I was wondering where you got the money from.
And I'll be going to the bush market early in the morning.
If you want to go this night. Why are you crying?
Daddy, our headmaster sent us out of school because of school fees.
And she asked us not to come back until our school fees are paid.
Nearly everyone has paid except us.
It's okay. Your father will go with you to school tomorrow and pay all your fees.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Okay, go in and change your uniform, okay? You go to the kitchen and pick your food. When you're done with your food, check on the table, there's 2 bottles of malt. For both of you, I didn't say only you. Now go in and remove your uniform. Daddy will pay your fees tomorrow, eh?
Helen, I don't know what I would have done without you.
Oh, come on, don't talk like that. I'm just playing my role as a wife. You know I love you so much, don't you?
I love you too. You're God sent. Huh?
Thank God. Thank God.
Thank God.
Honey, what is it?
Nothing. Just, okay, maybe thinking about 1 or 2 things, you know.
It's okay, stop thinking. I'm ready to go to the market.
Let me give you like...
Honey, I kept 12,000 on the table. Let's use 10,000 for these children's school fees and keep 2,000 to yourself.
Thank you very much. Thank you for covering my shame.
Don't talk like that.
But the 2,000, what do I need that one for?
Only you're the man of the house. You need to have little money with you in case you want to buy little things. But not drinking.
I promised you that I wouldn't drink again now. Well, thank you very much for your understanding. And I thank God for giving me a wife like you.
And I thank God for giving me a wonderful husband like you. I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Let me run, I'm going late.
Let me walk you.
How are you?
Thank you. Have you eaten?
Yes, but I see you.
Oh, yeah, little lamb.
Don't worry. We'll all eat my own, eh?
Daddy, one man came this morning and gave me a letter to give to you.
He didn't tell you his name?
He told me that his name is Piaro.
Piaro.
Yeah.
Is Piaro a name of a person?
Okay, go and get the letter. Hey.
You rub a lucky now. You could have rubbed a lucky on your body. Eh?
It's for my company.
What do they want? And who is PRO?
Public Relations Officer. PRO, Public Relations Officer.
Oh, you know I've forgotten about all those things. So what do they want?
Dear sir, with utmost regard and sincerity, the company wishes to apologize for all the inconvenience and embarrassment it has caused you and your family over the years.
Apologize.
The company also wishes to inform you that you have been
What?
You have been cleared of all the allegations leveled against you.
Jesus Christ! What did you say?
Therefore, you are to resume duties as the general manager with immediate effect. All your salaries, entitlements and compensation will be duly given to you. Signed, management.
Hey! Hey, on! Hey! I thought the Lord was going to come tonight. Our children. Oh my goodness.
Hey! Somebody tell me I'm dreaming.
I told you they were out. Thank you, buddy.
Enjoy yourselves.
Mom, come and swim with us.
We are coming.
No, go and swim.
You go and see. Why did you ask them to have fun? We are coming. But swim now. Stop talking. We should come and swim.
Why can't you swim? Why didn't you come to go and swim?
That would have been the best thing to do.
Hey, wait. Don't worry. Maybe some other time.
Yeah.
Be careful. Be careful.
Drop her. Is she a kid?
She is now.
Both of them are kids.
It's good to see them having fun.
Yeah.
And when you need suffering before the letter came.
God. I bless this God. I told you that God will smile at us. Well,
And he did. He did. He did smile. He did smile.
That's why I can't stop praising this God.
Good day. Please, I want 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate. Then 2 packs of popcorn.
Okay.
Thank you. Sweetheart, I'm on my way. I'll be back soon. I love you. How much is it?
1,002, sir.
Here.
Thank you, sir.
Keep the change. Keep the change. You're welcome. My angels, how are you? How was your day? Okay. I bought these for you. Ifunaya, your pack. Chisom, your pack. You're welcome. I know you've been waiting on me. Well, I thank God. Honey, the chairman called me on my way home and said that the new accountant will be coming in tomorrow.
Oh, so they finally decided. Oh, I'll miss Mr. Charles. He's such a nice gentleman.
He is. Who knows who will replace him?
Oh, so you don't even know who they are bringing in?
No, I don't. The board of directors insist on appointing someone from Abuja. From what I heard, they had a meeting 3 days ago. My honey, that's by the way. Please, get me something to drink.
I know. Let me get you juice. I'm coming.
It's all right.
Look at your bag. You wear it like this.
Thomas, well done.
Oh, Chief Ikenta, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, man.
How are you?
I'm very, very fine, sir.
How's your family?
Sir, you know I never get one.
Try and get one. You're of age, okay?
Sir, I will try. You know it's not easy. Finding a wife is not like finding a girlfriend. If it's girlfriend, I can have 5 or 6.
He said wife. Hi.
It's alright. Here's the salary for the month.
Oh, Chief, thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Madam, thank you, man. Thank you, man. I'm grateful, sir.
Don't use it for alcohol. Keep it for a wife.
Am I mad? Even without this, your advice, I know how to use this money, man. In fact, I use it judiciously. How can I use the money like this and drink?
Go back to work.
I just even go to the beer party. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Obi, please come to my office. Come in. Yes. Is the accountant around?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell every member of staff to be in my office during the lunch break, okay? Thank you very much. Please come in.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Yes, I am Mr. Raymond Okoyago, the new accountant.
We've been expecting you. You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you're properly settling in.
Yes.
Wonderful. I have instructed my secretary to tell every member of staff to convene in my office during the lunch break. You'll be formally introduced to them then, okay?
Oh, good. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Then I'll see you. I'm grateful. I'll see you then.
It's all right.
All right, sir.
Good luck, man.
All right, sir.
Take care. It's all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new accountant here from Abuja. He has a good profile and I've served with this company for years. Please, let's welcome Mr. Raymond Okoye Agu. I am David Akafo, the PRO. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. I am Henry Ugu, the assistant production manager of this company. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mr. Charles,
oh, thank you very much.
I am Mr. Moyo Oluwale, the production manager. You're welcome, sir.
My name is Ugu Justice, the sales manager. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
I'm Priska Raymond. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Umaru Laruba. You're welcome, sir.
Oh.
I am Miss Obinna, Niger section. You're welcome, sir.
And of course, I am the manager, Mr. Ikenta.
Oh. I am very, very happy to be with all of you. My people, I believe strongly in togetherness. I believe in togetherness. And when we are together, we will walk in love, peace, and harmony. I don't have much to say, but all I will say is thank you to our able manager here, Mr. Ikenta, and to all of you. God bless you all.
Amen. Well, we've all had Mr. Raymond Agu Okoye. Well, I expect that we'll all give him our maximum cooperation, won't we? Sure. Okay, let me also seize this opportunity to commend each and every one of you for your hard work and diligence. I promise that if you continue like this in your various duties, your salaries will be increased. Okay, thank you as we all go back to our various duties, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. Instead of showing it to me, why don't you send it to my system?
Oh, I think it's better. I will send it to your system.
Hello, baby. Sweetheart.
My pretty pin up.
How you doing?
I'm fine. I'm cool. And you are looking great. You're looking great in your face. My manager. This is my account top, my able manager. Mr. Ikem, my manager, my friend, Kate.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
And the friend?
Good day, sir.
You're welcome. Raymond, please, I will be in my office.
No, this is the wrong time for you to go. We have visitors and they just want to leave. It's wrong.
Aren't they your visitors?
Yeah, they are my visitor. Kate here is my girlfriend. You can take the other to your office.
No. Please, if you will excuse me, I have something very important to attend to in my office. See you later.
Please. Oh, shit.
Sweetheart.
Oh, my baby. I'm good. I just feel like going crazy. What is the name of that lawyer? I told you I won't take you out.
Yeah, I know.
What's the name of that lawyer?
I can't.
Yes, come in.
My manager. Secretary said that they want to see me.
Raymond, don't you ever repeat what just happened in your office. I thought you were married. How could you? How could you stoop so low as to go out with those worthless girls who have no direction in life? How could you? What's funny?
My manager, you see, those worthless girls release stress. They cure hypertension. In fact, they are doctor's prescription.
Shut up, Raymond. Shut up. Please. You talk like an agent of the devil.
You know, I just want to advise you. You know, if you can give it a try, I believe you will see the difference.
What difference? No, Raymond, what difference? Now, let me repeat myself for purposes of clarity. Don't you ever repeat what just happened in your office. Have I made myself clear?
It's okay, sir.
Good. Now go back to work.
All right, sir.
Honey, something terrible happened in the office today.
Something terrible? What is it?
How do I start? Some men are demented. I was in Raymond's office this afternoon when two young girls came looking for him. They casually strolled into the office. Then one went over to Raymond's and they started caressing.
Jesus.
In my presence. Honey, I was truly and really ashamed.
Is Raymond not married?
Of course he is. With 3 beautiful children. So, he showed me their pictures.
So, what else is he looking for?
Ask me.
Oh, this is wrong. Does he understand that this is a sin before God?
Anyway, I'll try and talk to him and see if he will change.
Make him realize that this is a sin before God. He should concentrate on his children and wife. He's cheating on his wife.
I'll talk to him.
Hey. These daughters of darkness. The other girl, what happened?
He tried to shift that one my way, but I ran.
Thank God you ran. It will never be well with them.
Amen.
Hey! Honey, please. Honey, please.
What?
Honey, please. I'm so tired. I need to rest. Please, honey. Please.
You just want to rest and sleep?
Yes.
I just want to advise you. You know, if you can give it a try, I believe you will see the difference.
And God forbid. Never will I try it.
Never will you do what?
Go back to bed. I thought you said you wanted to sleep. Go back and sleep. Go and sleep. So, what have you gained so far?
My knowledge, you see. With all my experience in life, I discovered that in this part of the planet, we work so hard. We work so hard without easing off. And it's wrong. It's very wrong. Over there, it's a different ballgame. You don't do anything like that. You work and you also ease off. It is very important for our life.
Raymond, tell me the truth. Are you enjoying your family? Or is your wife not performing her, role very well?
No, sir, you are getting everything wrong. Totally wrong, yes. I love my wife with all my life. In fact, I can die for my wife. But what we are talking about here is how to enjoy the money God gave to us. That's what we are talking about. You see, all these little girls, you take them out. They make you feel like a baby. They are like vitamins. You understand? When you take them out, you drink with them, enjoy with them, play like children with them. And after, you give them money. I'm telling you, that money you've given to them, you've ended up saving a soul. Because some of them are students. Yes.
Can't you help them without sleeping with them? Without having sex with them? Without having fun with them? Can't you help?
Yes, I can help them. Yes, I can still. Okay, now let me ask you. Have you been to Abuja?
Several times.
I know you've been to Abuja several times. I just asked you. You see, go to all those 5-star hotels. Go there. You see men of integrity. You see international businessmen. You see politicians. You see men that matters in the world. What are they doing? They are hanging out with all those pino. Yes, because they know that it's vitamin in their life. They know that those things, they need it to live. Yes, they need it to live. Okay, now tell me. No, tell me. Have you seen any man that died and woke up? Have you seen it?
No, I have not.
Good. Now let me tell you. How long are we going to live in this wicked world? How long are we going to live in this world that is vanity upon vanity, that we cannot enjoy ourselves? Now, even the Bible recorded it in Genesis 2 verse 21. The Bible said it, that God Almighty caused Adam to sleep, to fall into a very deep sleep. Why? Because he just went there and took one of his wives. And with that rape, he created women. Yes, he created women, because that, if you have, understand the mysteries, to understand mysteries in the Word of God, you will know that God did it. Because he wants these women to be our companion. He wants these women to be our mother. He wants these women to be our everything. Without them, we cannot be.
I think you're right.
Yes! Okay, do you know the man after God's heart?
Of course, David.
Good! Thank God you're a good Bible scholar. Thank God. That man, David, the man after God's heart, the man God loved so much, the man God loved so much. David had concubines, wives and concubines. God knows about that. He was taking care of them. They were making all those little girls. They were taking good care of him. Yes, because God knows that he needs it. It sounds like vitamin. It's very important for us. Yes, after that, well, even Solomon had so many too. Solomon the son is biblical. Yes, even David, before he died, when he was getting so old, the Israelites came together and said, he needs a pino. They got a child of 18 years. 18 years old girl was taking care of him then. Yes, taking good care of him, because she serves like a vitamin. We needed my manager. I'm not deceiving you. It's very important for our health. Yes.
Raymond, you're confusing me. I don't understand. Look, the concubines knew David's wives and vice versa. Does your wife know your concubines?
That is where you're getting these things wrong. I will not deceive you now. I'm talking about the Jews. Yes, this is their culture and their tradition. There is no jealousy there. But here, people jealous a lot. So because they jealous a lot, what do? You have to code it. Ini Edo do a code. But the most important thing is that you're still doing the same thing. But it has to be coded. Ini Edo do a code. But you are still doing, because men are polygamous in nature. God knows about that. Yes. Even the same word of God said that we should be as wise as serpent and as harmless as a dove. Ini Edo do a code. That's the most important thing. Not to break anybody's heart.
Okay, Raymond, let me ask you this question. Are you trying to say that we are not cheating on our wives when we indulge in such an act?
No, I can't deceive you. We are not cheating on our wife. We are not. As far as you are still, discharging your duty as a man of the house, staying with them when they need you, taking care of your children, that's all. You're not cheating on your wife. Yes. You will like it. I'm telling you.
Raymond, come to think of it, my wife does not have the strength for sex. She doesn't often satisfy me.
You see, the same goes for my wife. And we used to worry over this almost every day. But merely I started playing away games. The quarrel stopped. We don't quarrel anymore.
So, how many mistresses do you have?
As many as they come. Yes. You see, these girls, you don't need to have only one. Unless you meet someone that is ready to respect your marriage and somebody that is very grateful towards all that you give her and at the same time satisfy you sexually. I want you to know that the main thing there is that wife is wife. But you see, these girls are sweeter. They are sweeter.
Sweeter, you said?
Yes, sweeter. You try that, you see it.
Experience.
Yes,
Experience.
Yes, from experience.
loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses.
My elbow manager! My elbow manager!
I can't believe it, Raymond.
Was it?
It was like a dream.
It was like a dream.
Joyce now, Joyce. Look, Joyce caressed me well. Good. Then climbed on top of me, massaged me and cleared ignorance out of my eyes. I feel relieved. I am stress-free now.
I told you. Pino deal. That is doctor's prescription.
You're a bad person. You're a bad man.
So, where is she?
She's dressing up in the room. Where is Kate?
She's far gone. Let's go back to the office.
End time children.
Why are you calling them in time?
God. Why did God give me female children? Is this how to be dancing on top of other men twice their age?
Look at you. You're too jealous. Forget this. Pino, let's go.
Let's wait for Joyce now.
Forget it. This girl knows their way. She will take care of herself. Let's go. Let's go. My elbow manager.
Honey, were you able to talk to Raymond?
Yes, I did. And he promised me that he would change. He even deleted the girls' numbers from his phone.
Thank God.
And he promised me that he will never invite them. In fact, that he will never see them again.
Oh.
And one thing I like about Raymond is that he is a good listener. He listens, he bows to superior reasoning.
Oh, thank God. Oh. But tell me, what exactly did you tell him?
Ha, sweetheart, you should have seen your husband preaching like a pastor. I told him that he was cheating on his wife.
Which is right.
And that what he was doing was called adultery in capital letters.
Yes.
I also educated him on the dangers of, associated with promiscuity, with sexual immorality, sexually transmitted diseases, unwanted pregnancies, and he promised me that he would change. In fact, I can see a lot of change in him.
Oh, thank God. I'm so proud of you, honey.
Hey,
that's my husband.
Come
on.
It's alright.
Thank God. That's good.
Thank God. After lunch, I'll drop you off at the cyber cafe.
And after the cyber cafe, what next?
You know now. You go straight to the hotel. I'll leave the office early to wait for you there.
Wow.
Hello? I'm fine. I'm driving to get some fuel.
And who was that?
My wife.
Did she say anything was wrong?
Don't mind the woman. She just wants me to come back home.
Please, oh, she should wait. After all, you're all has a home, Abi.
Yes, so baby girl. She should wait. Look, I don't even feel like going home today.
Oh, really?
Don't worry, we're going to spend a wonderful time together in the hotel, okay?
Like that.
Hey, don't start what you can't finish here. Raymond, my enemy. Joyce has warmed her way into my heart. Hey, Joyce has, look, as far as my life is concerned, Joy means the world to me.
Oh, what do you mean?
She has showed me what my so-called wife doesn't even know. Look, Raymond, that girl mesmerizes me in bed. Look, so if not for you, I wouldn't have known all these. Hi! See enjoyment. Look, this time she showed me the style called 16. Nah.
In fact, I love this testimony. I like it. You see, God is wonderful. You see, God created these girls for us. I mean, without them, life is nothing. Without them, life is meaningless to us. I am telling you.
Now I know. Now I know.
Don't worry, my able manager. There is another place I discovered. So we must go there. I'll show you that place.
Columbus the Discoverer.
Life is good. LG. Oh, wow, so as you get. I'm going to put up.
Thomas, the only man will bring SC in liquor consumations.
Thomas, please drink up. It's getting late. I want to close. Why are you keeping me here till now?
Uni, it's not yet late. And besides, I still want one bottle of this.
I am not giving you any other bottle. You are drunk already. Please go, I beg.
Uni, look at your time. It's not yet 10 or 11. And besides, this man you are seeing here, I got my salary just yesterday. So if you are afraid to sell for 400 to me, I will buy. Go there and get me one bottle. What are you saying?
What kind of stupid name is this? Thomas. Stupid man with stupid name. Who even gave you that name?
Let me tell you, this shows you don't read your Bible. You are reading your Bible. You know that this man here, I'm a bona fide son of my father. Thomas in the Bible. Yes. We have a saying that goes this way. Seeing is believing. We don't believe anything blindly or mumulikally. Are you with me? My father Thomas stood on his ground, argued with 11 disciples, and yet went home victoriously. Are you with me?
Do you know you are a fool? A compound fool. That is what you are.
No, I don't know my wise one. Can you lecture me or teach me, educate me on how foolishly I am?
Please drink up and get out of this place. I want to close.
Uni, what type of bed do you have? Is it water bed or air-conditioned bed? Because I want us to sleep together.
I don't suffer. You think I give anyhow? Look at you. You don't know say she will get size. Come on, shouldn't she go look for your size? Did they crazy?
You need... By the time my propeller reaches the nucleus of your domain, bet me, you will scream Yahoo! And I will browse you and download all the nutrients in your bosom. Ayakopa. Let me tell you, women of your standard with extraordinary back meat are meant for men like us with 8 inches rod. Are you with me? Let me tell you, very soon I'm going to park my Homer Jeep in your garage. By the way, your money is how much?
My money is 1,200 naira. And remember, you owed me 300 naira yesterday.
Not even 2,000.
1,500 naira.
Is that why you are making all this? Don't worry, very soon I will cease to be a foolish man when I will give you 1 million.
Look at it.
No, don't worry, I have my stand. Keep the change.
Which change?
Just keep the change. Now can I have my good night kiss?
If I go chuck this viral for mouth now. Come on, they go.
All right.
Foolish man. Thomas. Keep me here, this. What kind of sense?
This is good. That pretty lady that samples. She's the owner of this place, she's the one that owns it.
She's quite pretty.
I know.
And you know I love pretty things.
I love it.
Well, you mean she owns this place?
Look, she owns this place. I'm telling you.
Sorry.
Madam Unique.
Everyone, please, I'm coming. Oh, sir.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
But how come you call her? I mean, she, madam.
Let me get
you. You know, she's in that home. They will prefer calling her madam.
Okay, Raymond, you are welcome.
Unit. Madam Unit, don't just put me into trouble, though. I am fake Oga. This is the original Oga. Oga in my office, so call him Oga, not me.
Raymond, shut up. Shut up, you're a parrot. Who asked you? Come on.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Please, can I know your name?
Call me Kenta. And please, give us some more bottles.
Okay, I'll join you.
You're a bad person.
I just reserve her for. I don't want to like one.
Oh, this thing is homework.
It's serious homework.
Unique. This one where you shake body like this anyhow. What do they do? Huh?
You wait see me. Waiting you they look. I for don't go saying so. Now you still make me day here. You go drop me.
Drop you for where?
For my house now. You don't know say you go drop me for my house. You don't say you they eye my waist. You go talk waiting you they find it. If you see him, you go run. No. You go run.
Me, Unique. Me run. Try me now, make we see who go run. Try me.
It will happen one day. My advice is for you to eat very well so that you will not faint.
Insult. Unique, let it happen now. Wait. let it happen now. And I promise that I will give you whatever you want. Look, I will change the picture of this whole place.
I know, please, it's getting late. I want you to go home.
I will go home. I will even drop you. But let me tell you something.
I want to close for the day. Please go home.
You will
it's
close and I will drop you. But let me tell you, just one small thing. Just come.
I want to go home.
Let it happen now.
I want you to go home.
I know, just one thing now.
Who is here? Who is here? Anybody in? Ojere. Who is here? Oh.
Thomas. Thomas, I won't close. Why you know they come when others they come? Eh?
Unique, your time and my time is not the same. I close when I am free. So just return yourself back. Enter there, get me just one bottle. Just one. Come, let me take this thing fast and go. Honorable!
I want to give him a bottle of star. Let him drink.
It is late. Tell him to go. You don't have any bottle. That is finished. Tell him to go. Who is he?
He's one of my customers. His name is Thomas. Thomas, no verse. Star don't finish.
Eh?
I said star don't finish.
In Unique shop, restaurant.
Yes.
Hey! First in history. Star don't finish. If one bottle is not enough, let me elevate it to 6 or even 12. Just get me. Let me take it. I just need this drink.
Thomas, I said star don't finish. They go. I won't close. Which kind of wahala be this now?
Is this not a customer's phone?
Your own phone they lost. You no go mind your business.
You said I should go.
Go, I beg.
You need remember that you are pursuing away. You are walking off your vital customer. Eh? The only man who can take 12 or 6 bottles from your shop. You know it's not good though.
I know. No vex.
Fine. If you don't want to give me, let me go nearby. If I search for star, I didn't see star. I can manage kai or even wash. You said I should go. Don't worry, let me go.
Good luck, Onna.
Everybody wants to be loved. When the home is broken, joy is destroyed. Dreams are shattered, life is scattered. Sorrows and heartache. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrow
honey.
Hello?
Where are you?
In the office.
In the office?
Yes. Okay.
No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the hope breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the hope breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the hope breaks.
Where are you coming from?
What is that supposed to mean?
Don't even try to play with me. Go straight to the answer. Where are you coming from?
You are an idiot. A big one. Who made you a royal majesty that you are setting up an inquiry to look into my case? Listen, man. The next time you dare stop me for such an issue like this, sorry will be your second name.
What were you doing with that young girl you carried in your car to that hotel this afternoon? What were you doing with that girl? So you've started carrying prostitutes and harlots around, eh? Oyama, is that what you do these days?
You are the harlot. Get out of my way, scallywag. A scallywag.
Ada, I don't know what is wrong with me. Everything is going wrong. The man I'm living with is no longer my husband. Everything has gone wrong with him. He's not my husband.
Hey, what is it this time around? Eh? Ogenimekwa.
And can you believe that my husband called me a prostitute? In front of my little children, my kids.
Hey!
Something is wrong.
Are you serious?
Who has done this to my husband? Who has done this to my husband? Hey! Onye melifa biko kamyo lawyer boy.
Zubo.
And I can you well.
It's okay. Igebebuko onwoge na akwa. It's okay. It's okay. Look, it will get better. It will. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Oh,
My pally and manager.
Raymond.
I'm going to miss you. Something came up.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I'll be leaving this company to London in 2 weeks' time.
What? Why? What happened?
No, nothing serious. It's just that I got a contract from my brother that stays there, and they want me to come immediately.
Just like that?
Just like that. I'm going to miss you so much, but I also look at it as a great opportunity for me to, stay with my family.
Man, I'll miss you. All the good times we've had together. You actually opened my eyes to see the good things of life.
I did.
Man, I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
It's alright.
Anyway, have you notified the company?
Yes, I have. Every night I came with some papers for you to sign.
What if I don't sign them?
If you sign them, it's for good. It's for good. I will still come back later, and I ain't going to open there.
Give me a sign. Get away from this place.
It's for good. It's for good. My ever manager.
Go away. I'll do the enjoyment alone.
Just something, man.
It's alright.
Janet, look at you. So good to see you again.
It's nice to see you.
But wait, What kept you so busy that you couldn't even come to see me? None of your lines were available for over a month. What is happening? You look so fresh and beautiful.
My dear, I'm sorry about that. I went on a honeymoon without a wedding.
Honeymoon without wedding?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
There's this man I met. He's a very wealthy man. Though he is married, but I have stolen his heart from his wife.
Are you serious?
Yes. This man go gaga for me. He wanted me to move in with him, but I refused. So he rented a duplex for me and promised to buy me a brand new car. As if that is not enough, he took me on a holiday at the Obudu Cattle Ranch in Cross River State. That was where I was.
Are you telling me the truth?
See, Unique, your beauty is wasting. I have told you to stop following all these small chinkom boys. I mean, there are men in this town that are ready to spend money on their beauty. Yes.
Janet, just talk to me. How did you get this man to love you beyond imagination? I mean, ordinarily, you know now, a man will not go gaga for a woman who is over 40 years of age. How did you do it? Please tell me, give me an idea. I want to be like you. Please.
See, the problem is not showing you the way. But the question is, do you have a man that is ready to spend? I mean, a man that can spend the real currency.
Yes,
because the moment I met this man, I knew my dream has come true.
I have a man. Yes. But I don't know if he's stingy or not. He comes here every day and tells me how deeply he loves me.
Really?
Yes.
Then you don't have to worry. But let me ask you, has he mounted on your temple of Jerusalem?
Janet, you know me now. I know they waste time. He has mounted it severally. Even inside this shop. See, the guy is so charming, you cannot resist him.
Then you don't have to worry. Relax. He has already committed himself by mounting on the temple of Jerusalem. See, I will take you to where they will break that stinginess. And he will begin to worship you like the small God.
Yes, sir. Customer.
Emmanuel. You're welcome, Janet.
Good day, my prophet.
I hope there is no problem.
No, my prophet, there's no problem. I brought my friend. Her name is Unique. She needs miracle.
Unique, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, prophet.
Come on, sit here. If you have a pure heart, everything you've come to ask for shall come to pass. Do you have a pure heart, Unique? Do you have a pure heart, Unique?
Yes, prophet. I have a pure heart.
It took you time to say so. Why?
I was searching my conscience in order not to give you a wrong answer.
Wrong answer is to your own detriment. What can I do for you?
The same thing you did for Janet.
He who goes to a barber and asks the barber to give him the same hairstyle with John should first of all ask himself if he shares the same facial features with John. Do you share the same destiny and fortunes with Janet? I'm asking you, Unique!
No, sir. No, Prophet. I do not share the same fortune or destiny with Janet. But I want my man to love me beyond imagination. Just as you did for Janet. Please.
Stretch out your right palm. This man, known as Mazi Kenta, is a very strong fellow. But I will do a miracle. He loves his wife. He loves his wife. He really loved his wife. Oh. Ja. Do you really want this man?
Yes, Prophet. I need him with my whole heart. I need this man. Please help me. Please.
You really want this man?
Yes.
It lies in your hands. It is in your hands. I will do it. I will do it, nothing. I will turn his heart towards you. Thank you. I will do the assignment. Because if I allow you to do it by yourself, you might make mistakes. And we don't need mistakes. I repeat, we don't need mistakes. Listen very well. You will buy, do as I say, oil. Did you hear me? Do as I say, oil. Obey my wish powder. I repeat, obey my wish powder. Forget me not perfume. Forget me not perfume. You will get this item. And I'll give you a spiritual water which you will drop in his soup or pepper soup. After eating it, his heart will be turned to you. He will no longer have affection for that woman, his wife. Every attention will be to you. Every attention will be to you. Every attention will be to you. But these items will cost you 75,775 kobo. 7575. If you really want this man, you provide us money. But most importantly, this money must come from the man's pocket. Do you hear me? Very important. The money must come from the man's pocket. From the man's pocket. From the man's pocket. Pocket. Skelly.
This is heaven. Unique, you're wearing a perfume?
Yes. You like it?
Your perfume smells great, Unique.
Thank you.
You know what?
What?
You're my girl forever.
You know, my love for you will never die as long as I live. That reminds me, has Raymond traveled?
Just this morning, I drove him to the airport.
I know you will miss your friend.
I'm already missing him. Can't you see I'm all alone?
You are not alone, my love. You have me, and I'm here for you, okay?
The perfume is
Look, I regret the day I paid your bride price. How can I live with a whore under the same roof?
How can you call me a whore? Am I a whore and I gave birth to these children? How can you call me a thing like that?
You're not even ashamed of yourself. You keep jumping from one bed to another. How am I even sure I'm the biological father of this kid? How am I sure?
You are saying all this because I caught you having an affair. And you can't even admit that. How can you say such a thing to me? Have you forgotten the love we shared? Our
Shut
children?
up! Shut up! Shut your mouth! Which love? No, tell me, which love? You're just an idiot. A fool. Look, get out of my sight. Get out!
Honey, you're talking to me.
You. Who are you? Who are you? Get out! You keep on talking about love. Which love? Go! What are you two still doing? Get out of this place. Go.
Everybody needs a family. Everybody wants to be loved. When the home is broken, joy is destroyed. Dreams are shattered. Life is scattered. Sorrows and heartache. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
Why didn't you come back yesterday? Again, I'm asking you a question. Why didn't you come home yesterday? Where did you go? Where did you sleep? I am your wife. I demand an explanation.
How is it your business? Who gave you the right to monitor my movement? Now listen. The next time you dare ask me such a question, I will throw you out. Understood?
You lie. That devil in you will soon put you into trouble. You are lying! The devil will not succeed in this house.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. You have a very beautiful face.
Thank you. Where is your mom?
She's sleeping
Where is my food?
in the kitchen.
Get it. Go! Make yourself comfortable.
Daddy, your food is served.
Okay. Go! Come on. Yes. Looks good.
Who prepared
The useless woman. It looks good. Take some.
What is this? I can't believe your so-called wife is so clumsy in cooking. She's such a bad cook. Ah! I'm glad I even have a chewing gum in my bag. The stew has a sour taste. I can't believe you were even enjoying it. It's bitter anyway. Maybe you enjoy bitter things.
You're right. Helen! 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 What's this?
much. So, this is what it's all about. So you are the one responsible for my husband's change of character. And you are also responsible for his late night gifts, right?
Shut up, Helen. Shut up. Look at yourself. You're not even ashamed. Imagine this poison you cooked and expect me to eat. I know your plan. I know your next plan is to kill me. But you lie. Because I am above you spiritually and physically.
Enough of this insult! How dare you insult me in front of this thing? I am your wife and not your maid. You dare insult me any longer in this house. You are not even happy I dropped food on the table for you. When did you last place money on this table for food in this house? When? And you have the guts to talk.
It's okay, Mommy. Daddy, is this really you?
Shut up. Shut up, you little brat. Shut up.
Woman, I am surprised at you. I can't believe you have the guts to rant at your husband after cooking this poison.
Imagine.
Who are you? Do you understand that you are sitting in my matrimonial home? Look at this whore. You call me a whore? And what will you do? You slapped me!
How dare you slap me?
When the home is broken, joy is destroyed, dreams are shattered, life is scattered, sorrows and heartache. Everybody loses when the
Somebody help! Doctor!
No more happiness.
How is she this morning?
She's fine.
Well, thank God that she's okay now than when you brought her here.
Oh, doctor, I thank the Lord Almighty for his mercy. But the blood is still gushing. Why?
Let me see. Well, madam, I was hoping to invite you and your husband to my office.
Invite me and my husband?
Yes.
Do you know my husband, doctor?
Not really, madam.
So why do you need him here?
This is your child needs surgery. There are pieces of bottle in this wound you are seeing. If not removed, will cause serious damage in the nearest future.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead with the surgery, my husband will pay you.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. This surgery will cost 400,000. That's why I need the attention of you and your husband in my office.
400,000? What? What do you mean, the doctor? What?
Please, I'm waiting in my office.
Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
Dr. Poison. Who has this food? I know you have cooked your normal poison again today. Okay.
So you went and got yourself drunk while our daughter is lying helplessly in the hospital.
Let her die. Does it look like I care?
Come back here and listen to me. Our daughter is lying sick in the hospital. And the doctor said that if we don't conduct an operation on her immediately, that she will have a serious damage. Please, honey. They need to conduct an operation to remove the pieces of bottle in her head. They're asking for 400,000. Only 400,000, honey, please.
How does that concern me? In fact, do I have a daughter with you? Anyway, if I have, she can die for all I care. Harlot, you are not gonna.
Always crying in class. Is there anything the matter? What's the problem? Tell me, I'm your teacher. Tell me, free.
It's my father.
Your dad?
Yes.
What happened to your dad?
He has never been the same anymore. Dad's come home late every day, picks quarrel with mom and beats her.
God forbid. I rebuke it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Is that why you're crying? Wipe your tears, okay? Wipe your tears. Look, let me tell you something. It's like that in every home. You are just a little girl and there's nothing you can do about it than to pray for your parents. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine. I will give you a letter to give to your dad. I will invite him for a talk. Just wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Now smile for me. Smile for me. I know you're a fine girl. Okay, see what you do for me. Go back to the class. Be a good girl. Alright?
Come on, my dear. Easy does it.
Where are you coming from at this odd hour of the night? And you brought back this whore into this house that nearly destroyed my daughter's life?
Shut up, Helen. Shut up. You are the whore. Listen to me. You have no right in this house. I make the money and I feed you and your miserable kids. So if you still want to live in this house, build a shell and hide in it. I know why I'm telling you this.
Now you listen to me and listen very good. The fact that I've been quiet in this house does not mean that I don't know my left from my right. In fact, it's either you kill me this night or you stop this miserable way of life you adopted from God knows where.
Excuse me?
Look at you. Look at when you're coming back to your own house. Look at the time. You come back home every day drunk, smelling of alcohol, jumping from one prostitute to the other. Look at your life. For Christ's sake, I am your wife. I have every legal right to know where you go and where you come back from. And you, that's the door. Get out. Get out of my matrimonial home before I do something stupid. Now you leave.
You lie. I am going nowhere. Oh, I see. So you have refused to heed my advice. Please, go in and pack your things because you're leaving first thing tomorrow. First thing. And for your information, this is my new wife. Excuse us.
Get out.
What? What's my name? both of you into the house now. Leave the children alone. Get out. Don't. Go inside the house. Leave my house now. Don't let me warn you again. Do not let me warn you again.
Please, I beg you.
I warned you this time.
I beg you.
You want me to hit you? Get out of my house. Come on. Go to the house. Come on. Get out. And you, if I ever see her in this compound again, I will kill you.
Yes, sir.
What did I say? I will kill you.
I hear you, sir.
Want to kill yourself? Huh? You better wipe those tears. Wipe those tears, oh. Why do you want to kill yourself because of this? I have told you that you should accept things the way they are. It will get better. It will.
Ada, my children. Who will take care of the children for me, Ada? God, are you in heaven? God, please, I beg you. God, please. My children.
Don't worry yourself. It's okay. It's okay, Helen. Get up. It's okay. So what are your plans now?
Into the village.
Fine, you will. But right now, you have to go with me to my house. You have to eat something, take your bath, and rest. Okay? We have to go now. Nkechi?
Mom?
Please help her with the bags.
Okay, Mom.
My customer there, she's coming back.
Alright.
Helene, Mom. You mean your husband, Ikenta, brought in another woman in your presence?
Mama, I regret if I'm marrying him. Honestly speaking, if I knew that he would have changed to this coward that he is today, I wouldn't have stepped my foot in that house. I don't even understand what is going on. I don't understand.
Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! If my son David is alive today, at least he should ask Ikenta some questions.
Mama, what do you people want in my house? Akuna, what do you want?
Hey! Ikenta! Ikenta! You called my daughter, Akuna, before me? Ikenta, are you not the one that paid her bride price? We did her in the church. Now she's a harlot, Akuna. Okoya? Hey! By the way, who is this woman that is sitting in the front seat of your car?
You have no right to ask me that, Mama. No right at all. Your daughter is no longer my wife. And if you must know, that woman sitting in front of the car is my new wife.
Hello, children. I miss my children. Mama, look at them.
Get inside the compound, both of you. Come on. Oh yeah, say so.
How dare you back at my children? Are you stupid? Do you have children of your own? Are you mad? Inapora.
Mommy, forget about her. She's a mad woman.
She is indeed a mad woman.
You call me a mad woman?
Because you are.
Are you stupid? Are you?
Hit her. Hit her. Hit her face. Hit her.
Who am I seeing? Is this really you?
It's me, Helen. Long time.
What are you doing in this village?
Well, I am here to see my former in-laws.
What do you mean by former in-laws?
My dear, it's a long story. Though I lost their daughter in an accident. I wasn't in town and the fire raised down everything I have in my house, including my wife.
Fire? Oko? Yeah. Hey! When did this happen?
Just a year ago.
Hey,
Although I've forgotten about this. Yes, but you yourself, what exactly are you doing in this village?
It's a long story. The world changes, you know.
Alright, I am rushing somewhere. I'll see you later. By the way, what of your mama?
Mama is fine.
It's alright. Okay.
Okay. I'll see you later. Okay. So that was it. You know, all you men are the same.
Well, you need not to cry, my dear. After all, that is not the end of the world. You know, I have told you exactly how my wife died on fire accident. And that is life.
So sorry.
I think maybe you and Ikenta are not meant to be together.
Mama. Uncle Amechi.
Mama Amechi.
Amechi. Where are you from?
As you can see, from heaven.
Amechi. You are not looking bad though.
Mama, it's God though. Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, how are your people?
Mama, we all fine.
They're just like you.
More than me.
I'm welcome.
Thank you.
What is happening here? Huh? What is happening here? Who instructed you children of a harlot to sit in my sitting room watching TV? Are you stupid? Come here! Now listen to me, both of you. I don't ever want to see you. I don't ever want to catch you in this sitting room again. Do you hear me? And secondly, don't you ever call my lovely husband your daddy again. Because he's not even sure who amongst you is his real child because your mother is a prostitute. Oh yeah! Come on! Go to the kitchen. Go and wash those dishes there. Stupid little brats. Imagine watching TV in my sitting room. Where is that remote?
Helen dear, I think you should please follow me back to my base at Calabar. From the look of things, I see that your husband wants to punish you unnecessarily. But as long as I live, I can't stand and see it happen. Well, it's true we had our relationship a few years. But the only mistake we made was not marrying ourselves at that moment.
And whose fault was that?
My fault, you think? Please, it's your fault. Well, we have not to stand here now and blame ourselves.
It's okay. I'll think about it. And I will also talk to Mama about it.
It's okay. But I tell you, whatsoever happened between you and your husband, you have to put behind. At least now you have me.
Sure.
Yep.
I'll talk to Mama about it.
Right.
Okay, let me see you off.
Okay.
So Unique cannot sweep. Eh? Look at how the whole compound is littered with leaves. Eh? Character, they say, is true color or true beauty of a true woman, and not their physical looks or their fake makeups. Eh? Look the man now forever. Look at suffering.
What do you think you are doing, Thomas? Sweeping the compound this hot afternoon. Why didn't you come in the morning?
I don't blame you. For your information, I sweep this compound twice a week, which is Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Then why are you here today?
I came here to collect my salary, only to notice that the whole compound is littered with leaves. Eh? If not the other madam, she will do it now without hesitation.
Please, I don't have time for your insults today. When you are done sweeping, come inside and collect your salary.
Don't even know what you are wifering, or womaning in this compound. Soon now you start painting your hair. Well, I'm done with the sweeping. I'm here to collect the money.
Thomas, I've been looking forward to this moment when I'll have you. Please come to me. Come to me, Thomas. I'm starving. Ikenta is a weakling. He has no strength. Please, I can take very good care of you, Thomas. See, I have your salary here. I can even give you more if you so desire. Please come to me. Please.
Get us this thing.
No, don't worry. Why are you behaving like a child? Why? Don't worry. Wait.
Uncle Thomas, good afternoon.
What are you looking at? Go to your room! Now!
Hey!
Go. You come!
Helen, why have you forgotten your children? Why?
What do you mean by forgotten your children? Ada, what was I supposed to do? Are they not with their father?
Yes, they are with their father. But do you want them to die in another woman's arms? Do you? Okay. You better start preparing for their funeral.
Ada, what are you talking about? Did anything happen to my children? Ada?
Helen, you better start making plans now to take your children out from that house. Helen, you need to see your children now. They look so haggard, so dirty. They even trek to school every day. Depending on when that wicked woman wants them to go to school. Look, those children are like my children. I feel bad each time I see them walk to school. You better do something.
I asked you to go to my pot. And you did what? Come on, give me the plate. Give it to me.
Ifunaya, something has entered my eyes. I can't see. Please help me. Jesus Christ. What did you do to my sister?
Come on, shut up, you little brat. The next time I catch you in my kitchen without my consent, I will kill the both of you.
What's going on here? Why are they crying?
Sweetheart, can you imagine? I caught the both of them stealing meat from my stew pot. The meat I reserved for you.
What? Ifunaya and Chisom, did you hear what my love just said? Is it true?
She slapped me and she collected the Chisom food and it broke. Now Chisom can't see. Daddy, please help her. Daddy, I can't see. Daddy, please help me.
What is my business if you can't see? What's my business? And you, Ifunaya, you called my wife a liar. Now both of you should go to the sitting room, kneel down and face the wall immediately. Get out of this kitchen!
Ifunaya, wait for me. I can't.
Get out of this kitchen! Come on, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Go! So sorry.
I am not happy. I'm angry.
You be waiting for me now.
Okay, thank you.
Mama, if people should manage that one, or I'll be sending money. But please, make sure these children start school. You can know.
Okay, my daughter. You know I'm very sick. I'm going to here. I'll go and look for Nyankusi. That's Mazeke.
Okay.
I will still go and see Ikenta.
And why are you going to see Ikenta? He's no longer my husband. Can you lie for her? Don't say that thing. Just go and see Nyankusi. Let them start school. Yes. Chisom, I'll be going back. You know I love you. Take good care of her, okay? I love you. It's all right.
So, maybe just like I've told you, to forget about anything that happened between you and your husband. At least as you have me now, all I promise you is happiness, and that I'll give to you. Hi, baby. Let me just listen. Baby, you talk to daddy. I pray to God they should be twins because I need them.
You're such a greedy man. Do you know that?
No. You don't talk about being greedy. You know, I am not a greedy man. You know, I lived with my wife for a couple of years and she never for once conceived. I thought within myself I am not man enough. But now you've proven to me that I am a full-fledged Adam. So, love you, baby.
She didn't. She threw up everything.
Mama vomited again.
She did.
Hey. How you feel? Chi, I couldn't come back early because Maziokoro insisted I must finish all the work on his farm. That's why I came in now. But let me hurry to the market, buy the things we're going to cook at night, and then I'll branch the chemist. Let me buy drugs for Mama too.
Okay. Ify, Biko, please tell them to also give you something for my headache. It's in our one.
Hey. Okay. Oh, I'll buy it. I'm coming now.
Okay. Oh. Please be careful.
Chi, please, help me. Hold this one from the money Maziokoro paid me. Just hold it for me. Okay. Let me go to the market. My daughter, I thank you so much for the medicine you have been buying for me. God will bless you and your sister.
Mama, you should not thank us. We are the ones who should say thank you. When our father neglected and maltreated us, you took us in. Our mother is not here. But you are here. Thank you, Mama. We say thank you. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
A lot of things happen in this life. Especially in this new age. But both of you should know that when terrible things happen, it's not the end of the world.
Mama, don't talk like that. Please. Please, Mama. You have to eat something. Chisom said the food you ate, you threw it up. Bikonu, Mama, please. Eat something. Bikonu, please. It's okay. Just take a bit.
Mama, please. Even if it's a little, try and put something in your stomach. Please, Mama. You have to eat something. Please.
Mama, Chisom is begging you. Bikonu. Bikonu.
Ify, is she eating now?
No.
Mama, don't be like that, please. Eat.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Only eat a little now. Just small. Small.
Thomas, why are you smiling?
As I'm telling you, today is my greatest, happiest day ever.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you the truth. Uni, I thought as you are getting old, as we are getting old, that you particularly will not be able to remember those old systems and old styles and tricks.
Thomas, it's a matter of experience and tricks.
Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Do you know how I'm feeling right now?
How are you feeling?
I feel boneless. You really gave it to me.
Don't mention, don't mention. Don't mention. Hey!
Thomas, why are you getting younger, stronger, and even fresh?
Uni, are you the one saying this? Uni, let me tell you, if you have onyokomita there, right there in your hand, I will give you permit to onyokomik through my hand. And believe me, you will conquer the fact that this man here, I am very, very, very younger than you think. It's only all this hardship and the suffering that made me look older than my age. I'm telling you the truth.
Are you serious?
Honestly, let me... you have powder here?
Yeah.
You let me pour that to myself. I'm telling you the truth. Let me just... I am very, very overwhelmed happy.
Thomas, please go. I'm expecting my husband.
Your husband?
I say go, I'm expecting my husband. We have an appointment.
Huh? What kind of appointment?
You know now. Please go, I beg. Go, I'm expecting my husband.
What are you doing inside my house?
Sir, I was passing. In fact, I came to tidy Madam's compound, sir.
Which compound? The compound you cleaned yesterday? Or do you now clean the compound every day?
No, Chief. In fact, actually, I came to tidy Madam. Madam called me that she needed the tidy, that I should keep the house clean. That was why I came, sir.
But what were you doing inside my house?
Oh, sir, it was the broom I used. It wasn't good enough. So I dropped it. I went inside to know if I could see a better broom. No, a better broom, sweep better house.
Just get out of this compound.
Thank you, but I feel tired.
Tired? Yeah. Why?
I don't know, I just feel tired.
What is Thomas's cap doing in our room?
Sweetheart, Thomas will stop cleaning this compound. Do you know he killed one of my rose flowers again today? He's not getting his salary this month. And I'm serious, he's not getting his salary this month.
I saw him exiting the house as I was coming in. And he said he came in to get a broom to clean an already clean compound.
Maybe he's scared. He didn't want to tell you the truth.
Oh.
Yes.
That's alright.
Chisom.
Mama.
Where's your sister? Call her. I want to speak to both of you.
Ify. Ifunaya. Come quick. Mama wants you.
Mama. You called?
Ifunaya, come.
Mama.
I love you, my children. Both of you are wonderful. I don't blame anybody. I only blame my Ojere, who gave me this type of destiny.
Mama, don't talk like that. Yesterday, this was exactly what you were saying. Eh? Don't talk like that, Mama. Just take your drugs and you'll be fine. Oh?
If not, Chisom,
Mama,
if ever you meet your father in this life again, please forgive him. As for your mother, I don't know why she hasn't come home for a long time now.
Mama,
please take care of your younger sister. You know her condition. Give her all the love you have. Never you abandon her.
Yes, Mama.
Both of you will remain blessed.
Amen. Now can you rest, Mama?
Water.
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 Let me get you water. I'm coming.
Mama. Sorry, eh? You'll be fine, don't worry. Just relax. Everything will be okay.
Water. Mama? Mama? Hey! Hey!
Why are you shouting?
Mama? Hey! She's not drinking the water.
Why?
She's not drinking the water. Hey! Mama! Hey!
Ify!
Mama! Ify!
Who is that?
He's your mother. Let me help you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You abandoned us to die. But we're still alive. Jehovah is taking good care of us. If you please take me inside.
Chisom, please. You're my children. I will explain.
Children? You call us children? I said no! Please. Please stop. No. No, please, no.